This is BBC Television.
Well, no doubt about the top feature in tonight's specially lengthened edition of Sportsfield, because everyone is still talking about the fight between Cassius Clay and Henry Cooper.
I knew the English pub were tremendous. I knew for a fact they weren't going to like him the first time, because he talked too much. I knew they wouldn't like Mohamed. When we first went there, we didn't see nobody. People didn't like him. And we're fighting the hero, Henry Cooper, and he's going, 5. No, people didn't go for that, you know. But he was just having fun.
And Cassius Clay, the gimmick man to the last, comes into the ring with his monster crown on his head and all the way down to the ringside through the rows of people with umbrellas. So people were throwing things and trying to knock the crown off his head. So here we go. The fight of the year, Clay from the right-hand corner against Cooper of Britain. And Clay has said, I'll beat him in 5. We'll see. And Cooper's left eye is a very sorry sight indeed. And he's teasing Cooper. Round 4.
Henry Cooper, you know, was well loved by everybody. I can see why. And it was a great night. After all, he hit my guy on the chin. Dropped him, slid down the ropes. It was dramatic. And thank God the ropes were there.
That was the end of the 4th round, and he hit him about 2 seconds before the end of the round.
He came back to the corner. I was chewing him up.
They're working furiously on him in the corner. Angelo Dundee, his trainer. He really is giving him a talking to. Cooper's left hook finally scores, and Clay was done 2 seconds from the end of the 4th round. And now we come to round 5. And now he's slipping in, and I think this is it. The towel has come in from Cooper's corner. There was no alternative. He had to stop the fight. Inside, Frank Butler asked Clay if he still thought Henry Cooper was a bum.
Not a bum, I must admit. I really underestimated the fellow. My nose has never bled until I fought him, and his left hook was as good or better than the people had predicted. And I must say, he had me on the floor at the end of the 4th round. I've been on the floor once, but I wasn't really shook like I was. And I have to say, he really should be the number 2 contender next to me. After all, I'm still the greatest.
You're still the
but
greatest.
He should have been the number 2 contender. He's the best I've met yet.
Well, you're still a wonderful prophet, because you said you'd win in round 5, and you won in round 5. But don't you think you were just a little lucky to win in round 5 in view of the 4th round?
Well, I don't know what you mean by luck. I told you it would end in 5, and that's what happened.
Yes. And you came in the ring with a crown on your head. Is that
because I am the king? I understand you have a queen of England, but you don't have a king.